Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in household essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of pristine cleanliness with a product that's been making waves, Sprayway Glass Cleaner. If you're on the quest for streak-free shine and crystal-clear windows, you're in the right place. Are you tired of glass cleaners that leave behind streaks and residue? Say goodbye to those frustrations because Sprayway Glass Cleaner is here to save the day. With its innovative foaming action, it penetrates deep to remove all the grime, dirt, and fingerprints, leaving your windows sparkling clean. What makes Sprayway stand out? Well, for starters, it's ammonia-free, making it safe for both tinted and non-tinted glass surfaces. Whether it's your car windshield, home windows, or even stainless steel appliances, Sprayway gets the job done without any damage or streaks. With thousands of positive reviews and a loyal customer base, it's clear that Sprayway Glass Cleaner lives up to its reputation. Say goodbye to streaks, drips, and mess. Sprayway leaves your glass surfaces absolutely residue-free, ensuring a crystal-clear shine every time. Its powerful foam cleaner tackles even the toughest grime, dirt, and fingerprints, leaving your windows spotless. Unlike some cleaners, Sprayway is ammonia-free, making it safe for use on tinted glass surfaces. The fine mist spray evenly coats glass surfaces without drips or dribbles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. So, if you're ready to experience the ultimate in window cleaning, head over to Amazon.com and grab yourself a pack of Sprayway Glass Cleaner today. Trust us, your windows will thank you. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!